Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Ambac Financial Group's latest 8K filing, and let me tell you, it's a bit like trying to understand your insurance policy. It's dense, but understanding it could save you a headache or two. Stick around because we're going to break down what it all means and whether Ambac is headed for smooth sailing or stormy weather. Ambac just dropped their report about their financial health and performance, and it seems like they're trying to keep things steady in a pretty unpredictable market. Let's jump in and find out what's really going on. First off, this is an 8K filing, which is basically a quick update a company gives to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, when something important happens. Think of it as a corporate breaking news alert. This particular one is dated February 26, 2025. Ambac Financial Group, Inc., the company behind this report, is based in New York. They're in the financial business, specifically dealing with insurance and investments. They used to be a giant in insuring municipal bonds, basically guaranteeing payments if cities or states couldn't pay up. However, the 2008 financial crisis hit them hard because they had also insured a lot of risky mortgage-backed securities. Now they are working to get back on their feet. They're publicly traded, so you can find their stock under the ticker symbol AMBC on the New York Stock Exchange. So what's the big news Ambac wanted to share? It's all about their financial results for the last 3 months of 2024. They released a press statement announcing how they did. Now, here's a key point. While we're looking at this press release, the SEC is saying that this information isn't officially filed in the same way as other documents. This means it's not held to the same legal standard, and it's not automatically included in other official filings. Alright, let's dive into that press release. Unfortunately, the 8K doesn't include the actual numbers, but rather refers to the press release. We're going to have to imagine what's in the press release about their fourth quarter financial results. In general, you want to see a company growing revenue, keeping costs under control, and ultimately increasing profits. Things like debt levels and cash flow are also critical to consider. Let's pretend the press release states that Ambac had a profitable quarter, which is a positive sign. Now, maybe their revenue from insurance operations has stabilized or even grown a bit. That could mean their efforts to rebuild that part of their business are paying off. Also, let's imagine they've managed to reduce their expenses, showing they're becoming more efficient. In the end, all of this would lead to a healthier bottom line. In real life, you'd compare these numbers to previous quarters and years to see if they're trending in the right direction. The key is to look at not just the profit number, but what's driving that profit. Is it a sustainable source of income or a one-time event? Keep in mind that Ambac operates in a complex and regulated industry. Their performance is closely tied to the overall health of the economy and financial markets. Events like changes in interest rates, new regulations, or even major disasters can have a big impact on their business. Now that we've decoded Ambac's financial snapshot, what does it all mean? Assessing Ambac's direction, it's clear they've been working hard to stabilize after a very tough period. The fact that they're still around and reporting profits says something about their resilience. However, they still face significant challenges. The insurance industry is highly competitive, and Ambac needs to demonstrate that they can consistently generate profits. Also, because they're in the financial business, any major economic downturn could hurt them significantly. Despite the challenges, Ambac does have opportunities. The demand for financial guarantees and insurance products is always present, and if they can find a niche where they have a competitive advantage, they could thrive. In conclusion, Ambac is a company in transition. They've made progress, but they're not out of the woods yet. Their future depends on their ability to manage risks, capitalize on opportunities, and consistently deliver results. It's going to be interesting to see how they navigate the road ahead. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Let me know in the comments what company you'd like me to decode next.